What's going on, everyone? Steve here again from RC Tanks and Trucks 24/7. A lot of you guys are interested in this project. This is the 1/8 scale double E crawler. It doesn't come like this. It's got a 2-speed and it's got a normal brushed motor, but I have Frankensteined it into this, well, I don't know what you could call it, but it's still a crawler to a degree. It's still a work in progress, but I couldn't wait to show you how far I've actually come. So if you guys are new and it's your first video, first time seeing this, this is a nitro engine, single cylinder, single overhead cam. Now you can see it is pretty sweet. It's got a fan bed at the front, it's the cams up there, or the lobes, and it's got an exhaust on the other side. It runs on 25% or I think roughly 20% nitro, and you can also buy it in a gasoline version, which is exactly the same, just a different timing system for the ignition. Now links are in the description, want to go check it out. And also if you're new, please subscribe and hit that like if you like the video, and also the notification so you get notified of all the latest videos, because there are going to be a few in this. It's a kind of a work in progress. It does take time because everything is pretty much scratch. You need to do a lot of Frankenstein cutting and all that kind of stuff. Now if you're new, here we have, this is a Revo 3.3 2-speed with reverse transmission, and as you can see, I've done a fair bit of time, or fair bit of work, well, from the last video actually, kind of made everything look semi-neat. Here we have the throttle and the brake, as you can see there, and also here we have, this is the ignition system. I'll show you that in a little bit, but the reverse and the, so we go there, the reverse, for the reverse and forward is right there on that little servo, and that's connected or used on this little knob here on my Noble NB4, because it's a 4-channel receiver. I can do that there. So there you go there, flicking back and forth. Now the one thing I'm waiting on is the brake, but the brake does work. It does work there, it pulls it. Now while I'm waiting for it, there's a special yoke that the Revo uses. It's got these 2 pins that kind of lodge its way into the brake disc, and that's how it forms the connection there. Currently it's just free spinning, but it does work, so I'm just waiting for that. But I wanted to definitely show you where I'm up to now. The steering servo and all that is working. It's all mounted up front. They used to be mounted here. Check out my other videos if you want to go check out a more in-depth look where we're going. But basically everything is nicely located here. It's probably going to be, well, it's probably going to be its position for the life of this project. Receivers here, throttle servo, brake servo, and also my reverse and forward gear selector. Now this servo right here, now this is the way I've done it so far. That's the actual starting mechanism to start the starter motor, and also give some power to the glow plug. So once it obviously gets started and it's ignited, this shuts off. It stays red, well, ignited like a diesel, and that's what causes the bang. So, but once that turns off, there's no more power going to this or the starter motor. Now that is connected via here. There we go. Pretty cool, eh? So I can start that again. How cool does it sound? Once that's turned off, that brushless motor for the starter motor is not spinning anymore, and that's in the normal idle position. Everything's running how it should, and it does fit, the body does fit on here, obviously without some of the interior, but that'll be a later project. Now also, I'll just give it a bit of a run. Pretty sweet, eh? Turn it off, you just put your finger over the carburetor. Now I need to figure out air intake system, and figure out it's not shifting into second, I don't think. I've checked the slipper clutch, unless I need to tighten it down a bit more, but that's pretty much tight as I can be. I've tried to put a little Allen key in there and screw it down, or screw it anti-clockwise, I think it is, to shift earlier, but maybe there's just a little bit more fine tweaking with that. Now you notice as well, I used the Revo drive shaft as well, and it's just got enough room here where it actually connects to the other telescopic end. So it's just got enough. We'll see how long that works. But the main problem I'm finding is the angle, that angle there for connecting the front diff to the center differential. It's too great. I tried that before, the yokes didn't like it, they were binding up. So I'm going to find a different solution for that. So currently it's only 2-wheel drive, but I definitely want to get it to 4-wheel drive. I might try a different kind of setup, but it's weird because the diameter from the housing here, sorry, the shaft from the, what's it called, the output shaft to the shaft on the axle is a little bit different. So it's hard to kind of, you can't just use one like there unless I retrofit it like I did for the back. But everything works and I'm pretty happy with it. So I'll show you how to start it back up again. Bit of gas. But really happy with that, eh? Really happy with that. Now I'll put on the ground and let's see how it actually works and show you reverse and forward. So initial test, let's just try it on the concrete here. Honestly, I've only drove it around the garage here, moved the car out. So let's try it out. The motor's still pretty cold, but everything works. We can do it, guys. We can put our mind to it. We can do anything if we want. Yeah, don't have brakes, but let's try that reverse. There we go. Back to forward. There we go, guys. We done it. Yeah, it's not changing in the second. There we go, guys, no brakes. Absolute first test for this guy. So the gearing, obviously people are going to say it's not very fast. No, it's because it's geared as a crawler. Yes, I'm really happy with that, eh? Try reverse again. Want to make sure we absolutely don't want to go forward and when it's going backwards. I'm really happy with that, eh? Have enough power to do a wheel burnout. Clutch slippage there. That's got to wreck it straight away, eh? So that's why I wanted to use the Revo gearbox, because of that situation right there. I'm pretty pumped about this, guys. This is all trial and error. So yeah, a lot of things to do, but also it's come a long way from the what I wanted to do in my plans. How about I'll put the body on and let's see how it looks. There we go, guys. One screw at the front, one screw at the back, just to hold it on, see if it fits. I've got to do a custom exhaust later on, but I'm not at that level that Johnny Q90 is, but happy days, it does fit. Oh, no problem. Let's just slam that into reverse. Wrong way. Damn straight. There we go, boys. Yes. Awesome. Go, go. One is looking a little bit cattywampus, but work in progress. Big work in progress. A lot of people have followed my channel because of this, and I appreciate that so much. To be honest, this motor's only had one tank in it too, so. Check out this, guys. Check out this. I'm pretty happy. Let me know what you guys think. So everything still fits in there. Happy days. So still got to do an air cleaner, air filter, sorry, but sweet. Oh, I'm so happy. I'm really pleased with how it's worked out so far. So, I'm pretty happy. Not like I've said enough in this video, but let me know what you guys think. I've still got to put a little catch can for that oil, and funny, probably leaks. It leaks like a real one, it leaks oil. So that little, what I'm talking about, there's a little waste. You can see the oil there, there's a little pipe that just drains out the excess oil from because it's nitro fuel, it's lubricating the or the moving part, so any excess oil it just spits out there. You get like a little catch can. But there's many things to do, maybe I can cut some of the interior to fit in there, but overall I'm pretty happy, guys. Still got to figure out the front drive shaft, 2-speed shifting, and you know, just little bits like that. But it wasn't, I guess, meant to be perfect. It was well, something that I thought I'd really like to try, and it, you know, actually works, and I'm pretty happy with it. What do you guys think? What would you change, or are you happy with how it's been? You know, it's come along so far. Because in my eyes, I think it is. We thought of something that's cool. We got the motor. We thought, you know what, that'll probably fit into this car, and we've made it work. We have made it work, guys, and I'm so pumped, and I'm really happy that all you guys, a lot of new subscribers have come to this, watched my videos and thought, this looks pretty cool. I'm happy. I'd like to actually stick around and see if this guy can do it. Or maybe you have this motor, you have this car, or vice versa, or plan to get it, and you want to know if it can work. Proof of the pudding, it definitely can, guys. Now, it's nowhere near perfect. Flame me if you want, but I don't care, because we did it. And I'm really happy with it. I'm really happy how I can make this start off the controller. You know what I mean? How cool is that? And now it's sounding like a little 4-stroke. That's awesome. So happy. Clears the hood. Might be some heat issues here, but I might put some reflective tape here in case it gets too hot, but that's not hot at all. This head does obviously get hot. I might open it up later on and see if it needs greasing. But yeah, if you like the video, guys, like always, give it a good old thumbs up. If you haven't, please subscribe and hit that notification bell as well, so you get notified of all the cool stuff. Because, you know, I do have another one here just sitting here. I want to put that in something else as well, maybe a custom frame, maybe something different that doesn't require 2-speed transmission. But hopefully I also got the V4 or the V400 from Toyan coming later on. That's work in progress as well. So that's, if you don't know what that is, that's the V4. So 4-cylinder but in a V configuration. So that'll be pretty sweet. I might make my own custom hot rod or something like that, like a T-bucket or old Model T Ford or something like that. What do you guys think? Let me know down below in the comments if what you'd like to see. If you'd be interested in seeing the V4 on my channel as well. But quick update, guys. just don't want to leave you guys hanging because there's a lot of interest in this. So appreciate it. Any questions, please leave them down below. Also, thanks to Dennis for giving me the inspiration as well, and also the 2-speed idea. And yeah, see you in the next video, guys. Happy days.